Check out this pour over coffee method after the intro. So my friends know I'm into coffee, and they're always asking, hey, what's your method? What are your parameters? Or how do you do a pour over? And here's my video basically teaching them. So yeah, enjoy. There's many different ways to make coffee, especially for the pour over method. And this is just one of them. Adjust your ratio, try different grinds. It's all about experimentation and just to get the taste that you like. But yeah, here's just one way. Enjoy.
You are being hypnotized by the sun to subscribe or not.